Stop trying to sell your products to human beings. I know that sounds insane, but as of June 2026, the fastest growing consumer demographic on the planet is no longer human. We are officially entering the non-human economy. If you are still running a business that only targets human buyers, you are going to be completely sidelined within the next 3 years. Here is the terrifying financial shift happening right now. We thought AI was just going to help us write emails or edit videos, but the technology has evolved into agentic AI, meaning these systems can now take independent actions. But there was always one problem. A bot cannot walk into a traditional bank and open an account. So, what did they do? They bypassed the banking system entirely. Right now, Ethereum is seeing massive tailwinds because agentic AI systems are increasingly needing public and neutral blockchains to operate. The bots are using crypto to transact. Think about what this actually means. AI agents are generating their own crypto wallets and using them to buy server space, purchase data, and pay other AI agents for API access, all in milliseconds, completely autonomously, and with zero human permission. A machine is negotiating with another machine and paying it in Ethereum. We are no longer the primary operators of the digital economy. We are just the bystanders watching the machines do business. The entire foundation of commerce is shifting from B2B and B2C to A to A, AI to AI. Your next major client might not be a person, it might be an autonomous algorithm. Optimizing a supply chain. Are you optimizing your business so that an AI agent can discover and buy from you, or are you still relying on human psychology? Let me know in the comments and subscribe to stay ahead of the digital matrix. The machines are already doing business. Are you ready? Subscribe for more insights on the non-human economy.